Hey guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Welcome to a new job update video in this channel. So today in this video there is a big update from a huge company. The budget is also good for this job. Main part of the job is that any fresher can apply for this job and minimum qualification should be the graduate. So if you are graduate from any stream, you can apply for this job. If you are interested for this job, please watch the entire video. In the video, I have mentioned every single details of the job, like the job requirement, the job role. Also, I have mentioned how to apply for this specific role. If you are new to this channel and want to get regular job updates, career updates, course updates, everything from a single channel, you can subscribe the channel. Also, enable the bell notification to get notified from this channel. So without wasting any time, let's dive into our video. Okay guys, so as you can see my screen, today there is another job opportunity for all the freshers and experienced graduates. Today the company name is Liberis and the role will be operations support executive. It will be also a work from home based job opportunity. The main branch of the company is Mumbai and any graduate can apply for this role. You just need to complete your graduation, and if you have a good skill into Office 365, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, then you will get preferences in this role. They have provided some details about the company, and also they have mentioned what actually you have to do in this role as an operation support analyst or executive. You will be provide essential back office support that keeps our customer facing teams running smoothly. We will own administrative tasks and help us spot ways to simplify processes. Also, one point is very important here. You will be working in US shift. Okay, so in India the time will be 6:30 p.m. to 3:30 a.m. IST. So make sure that you should be available in the time frame. It will be work from home, so no need to visit anywhere, but in between 6:30 p.m. to 3:30 a.m. you should be available in your home, and you should have a good internet connection. You should have a good laptop or desktop with webcam so that you can communicate with US clients and you can provide them operational supports. Okay, here they have mentioned some pointers which you need to keep in mind before apply to the job. In what you will be doing area, they have mentioned all of your responsibilities, so please go through it all of the points here before applying to this role. And some skills they have mentioned here in this what we are looking for area. So if you have any experience or knowledge on administrative work, back office role, or if you have any financial or fintech knowledge, then that will be a plus for this role. Also, Excel, advanced Excel is very required for this role, and if you know about reporting, then that is also very helpful for this role. Also, if you have a good communication skill, if you have a collaborative mindset and genuine interest in helping colleagues, then you can apply for this role. Below they have provided the application form, so please design your resume and accordingly you can apply here. If you face any difficulties, you can let me know. And here they have mentioned, are you okay to work from the Andheri Mumbai office 5 days a week? Here if you are into Maharashtra, then you can mark as yes, otherwise you can mark as no, because they also have work from home based opportunities. They will reach you. Okay, here they have mentioned the CTCs. So if you are fresher, then you can mention 0 to 3 LPA CTC. If you have experience, you can mention your CTC based on your current CTC. And a lot of questions they have asked here actually. So based on your skills, your experience, you can just provide all of the details and accordingly you can submit the application. I'll provide you the link in the video description. You can check there and you can apply online, and if you have any doubt, any query, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.